Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surya. Today I want to discuss about a topic called how to design a dashboard layout in PowerPoint. It's not the design only for Power BI. You can do it for either Tableau, Excel or any visualization tool you want. So let's start by opening PowerPoint app. Head over to the search bar and search for PowerPoint. Click on the blank presentation. The first thing you need to do is right click on the canvas of PowerPoint slide and go to layout and choose the blank one. Now I will show you one of my Power BI dashboard. See how does it looks like. Generally why we make Power BI dashboard is to make people understand how data functions and how data works. So here if you observe, there are several cards which was representing the overview of Action Car Company. So to make it interactive, let's design a good layout or an attractive or interactive layout in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, first thing, the main thing you need to check is the slide size. Where you can find the slide size. Just click on the empty slide. Go to the design tab in the ribbon. To your right, you can find an option called slide size. Click on the drop down and go to the custom slide size. See, we got our slide size dialog box opened. And here you need to click on this drop down and click on custom. If you observe here, the width and the height dimensions were in inches, and in Power BI the width and height dimensions were in pixels. So in order to change them to inches, you go to your PowerPoint presentation, and here the height is 8.5 inches, right? So just remove this one. Enter 720 space px, and width should be 1280 px. It automatically converts into inches. So now you don't disturb any other options here and just click OK. Automatically your slide will be scaled to that given dimensions. Now the remaining was the design part. We need to make all these squares into circles. So here the Action Car Company is there, right? First I want to make a big bubble. For that, go to Insert. In Insert, you can find something called Shapes here. In Shapes, click on this oval. Okay, right? So now you can adjust the oval up and down to find the center of the page. See? This is the center of the slide. Now there are another 4, 4, 8, another 4, 12. There are another 12 cards. So we need to create another 12 small bubbles. Okay, I suggest you to create a small oval at the beginning, and after that copy it and paste it. Okay, so that all your ovals will be in the same size. See, in total we had made 12 ovals. We can bring some arrows here. Arrange all your arrows pointing towards the cards. Okay. Now our next step is to format the background. For doing that, you just right click on the slide, click on format background. Here you can observe there are 4 type of fills. One was a solid fill, one was a gradient fill, picture or text fill, or pattern fill. So for this slide, we just use solid fill. And we will go with blue. And we will also do some formatting for this. For doing these formattings, it's a shape, right, basically. So on the ribbon, you can find a tab called shape format. Go to that, click on shape outline, and just use white. So it will look more attractive than before. Now go to home, click on the format painter. So what format painter does is it copies the format of this particular shape, so that if I click on the next one, the format will get copied to the next one, like this. So do like that for every shape. For these arrows also, we will give some color. For that, for giving that color, click on those arrows, so that to your right, you can find something called format shape, which had appeared. In that, solid line was got selected, right, highlighted. So in that, we go to the color one, click on white. See, automatically it changes to white. So click on this one, and go to home, format painter, and same. Do it for all remaining 10 shapes. Here, the arrow is also a shape, right? So do it. Done. Now I want to add some text to the shapes. I just want to add the text to the middle shape so that it looks somewhat better. Okay. Axon Car Company, a synopsis, and enter the same thing. So I will enter the same text here. Here we can also format this text. So we format it. I'll change its font first. Okay, it almost got completed. Now the final step is for adding some effects. Click on the shape, go to shape format, click on shape effects. So I want to create some shadow here. See, these are some of the effects. Preset. See, this effect was really cool, right? It was appearing like a small button. These kind of things also will be a good choice if you like them. we'll choose this. Okay, it's really good. For this, we'll choose. Okay, go to home and do that format painter for all. Now we need to arrange it a little bit, right? See, anyway, we have arranged all of these manually to make it automatic. Like the difference between the length between two objects should be same. Anyway, we have adjusted every shape manually, right? We don't know the difference between the both are same or not. So to make it same, just we need to do one thing. Every time you just do this for only one side at a time. Okay, you select all three. Go to the shape format and go to this align and click distribute vertically. So the space will be adjusted automatically. Okay, and but these things is the same. Go to align, distribute horizontally. Okay. So now everything was fine. If you felt that the layout is little bit disturbed, you just rearrange the arrows to get the look. See, while we are aligning them, the shapes position got disturbed, so that the arrows will be not in the appropriate position. So I have arranged them. You should also do the same. Now our final step is to go to File, you click on Export, and then click on Change File Type, and click on Save As. So here you can PNG or JPG, your wish. You can also use this Save As another file type. Click on Save As. I want to save it as SVG, means scalar vector graphics format, which will be a good one for using them as a layout in dashboards. I was naming it as layout. See, just this one. Okay. Head over to your Power BI desktop. Now the thing is, click on your empty canvas. Then go to Canva background. Now click on Browse. Go to Downloads. Here you can see the layout was here. Click on it. You adjust the transparency to 0% and make image fit as fit. Okay. Already that what we call Axon Car Synopsis. We had already made this title, right? So you delete that one. And the next thing you need to do is you need to format any one of these cards. First, I want to format this card. Go to Size and Style. Erase the background. Disable the background. Disable the visual border. Disable the shadows. Then minimize it. Click on Category Label. Give the color as in white. Go to Callout Value. Here I want to give the font as Sego UI bold in color to white. Set a bold religion. Category label. Everything 6 okay. Now what you need to do is select this one. Click on Format Painter. Click on Format Painter. Now apply the format to remaining all cards. Now we need to adjust its callout value size. 1d6 is 5. For category label, give 10. Yeah, we finished the Yeah, now everything's look good, right? Now the thing you need to do is go to Canva background, but Canva one, it's Canva settings. Okay. Go to wallpaper, color as white. Okay. See, this is our final output. Now if you compare it with the old one, it looks more attractive and more informative, right? So for these kind of videos, you subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.